Hello and welcome, everyone. Thank you for visiting the AutoCAD Electrical training course on my channel TechN. In this video, we'll talk about how to add new drawings to a project that we've already created using our required template. Second, we want to change the color scheme of AutoCAD Electrical so that we can clearly see the wires and other components. Subscribe to TechN and click the bell icon to be notified about the latest videos. So, let us begin.
To add a new drawing to the project we've already started. From the Project Manager, select the New Drawing button. The dialog box for creating a new drawing appears. In the dialog box, click the Name Edit box and type the name of the drawing file. As a new drawing name, we write Single Line Diagram. To choose a file as a template, click the Browse button. The dialog box for selecting a template appears. The default template is ace_iec_a3_color.dwt. One by one, click in the Description 1, Description 2, and Description 3 edit boxes and type in the required description. The identifiers for the project are specified using the options in the IEC Style Designators area. Select the project's identifier code by clicking in the Project Code Edit box. We can also specify an installation code and a location code. It's worth noting that we can use the codes from previously created drawings or projects by selecting the appropriate buttons. For the current drawing, you can specify the sheet, drawing, section, and subsection numbers. All of the parameters, from the project code to the subsection number, are used as metadata for the drawing and later aid in its identification. Select the OK button. You must choose whether or not to change the project's default settings. As desired, select Yes or No. We select Yes to apply the project's default settings. The project now includes the new drawing. The Refresh button is used to reload the project's files. When we make a change to a project drawing and then click the Refresh button in Project Manager, the information in the Project Manager is updated. The second task is to switch the color scheme from dark to light so that the wires and other components can be seen clearly. We do this by selecting the Application button. The Application menu appears. At the bottom right of the Application menu, click the Options button. The Options dialog box appears on the screen. Now go to the Display tab. In the Window Elements section, select Dark from the drop-down menu. A menu of choices appears. From the drop-down menu, choose Light. To see the effect of changing this option, we now click the Apply button. We can see that the color scheme has lightened up. To change the color of the AutoCAD Electrical drawing work area's background, select Colors from the drop-down menu. The Colors of the Drawing window dialog box appears. Select one of the backgrounds from the Interface Element List box, then click the Color drop-down menu and choose White. To apply these settings to AutoCAD Electrical software, click Apply and OK. For the time being, that's all I've got. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this page. In the comments section, you can request specific drawings, and I'll make video tutorials for them. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Goodbye.